in this short video, we will explain you how we can manage the schedule and finally create a playlist. So from planning, as on this date, we planned three contents over here. So that's three content is visible under our scheduling module. So to see the segments of these each content, we need to expand the list. So this blue stripes are the headers and this green stripes are the segments under each content. So here we can identify the media ID, end time and start time, duration, media category, everything that can be identified from the same line itself. So from here we need to add the children to these content. So first of all, we have the non-paid commercials, so that comes under the media over here. So all the nnls, all the interstitials, all the non-paid commercials, all the bumpers, all the fillers, everything comes under this media. So here we can generate a filter. So filter basically means we can filter the content from the media library, and also we can save it as a template. The use of template means we don't need to click on each and every filter every time. Instead we can select the template. So once it's done, we can go for adding these content in between the playlist. So drag and drop is the first and foremost option to add content in between, but no need to spend like this. So we can do it by doing our auto plotting method. So for example, if you want to push the interstitials, just select those interstitials and come to run and just click on autofill short forms. So by clicking this autofill short forms, we will get a few options to add how we need to add this interstitials in between the playlist. So if we give 100% weightage, this particular interstitial will plotted on each and every breaks. So if you go for weightage as 50%, this interstitial will only plotted on alternative breaks, and otherwise we can go for count as well. So for example, if I am giving 15 count, means overall this playlist, this particular interstitial will go for 15 times. After giving these all parameters, just click save over here. So it will automatically plotted over there. So once it got plotted, you can see Tata Play Fiber, Tata Play Fiber, Tata Binge and Apollo Hospital plotted on each and every segments. So if you want to identify that more clearly, just go to settings and we can go for schedule preference, and we can select the commercials or bumpers, interstitials, everything's color can be changed. So for example, I'm just changing this color to red and just give save and just go for refresh. It will show that color as well, like that. Okay, so this is how our commercial works. Then similarly, we can do the same for interstitials, the secondary events as well. So from secondary events, we have all the NNLs, channel bugs, graphics coming corner of the screen, everything is visible here, right? So here we can add that as well in between. So the number of can be identified from the prototypes. So here we can add everything back to back over here. So here it will plot it over here. So if you want to identify this, just click this particular segment and just come down and just click over here, announcements and secondary events. So here we can identify what are the plots plotted over here in this particular segment. Similarly, we can do the monetization as well. So from settings, we can do the checklist column and everything. And once the playlist is ready, then we can go the export as well. And also we can save the uncompleted playlist under save as draft as well. So this is how we can quickly use the scheduling module.